It's a cold night, baby, and I'm on my way to you. And the snow keeps falling down. Lit a fire and looked down on the avenue. I just love the way you carry the crown. It's just me and you tonight, and I'm all yours. We'll be in our happy place. This December will be the best, I'm pretty sure. And I am truly yours in every way. So hold me now, it's Christmas time. Bring joy to people in this town. In this way we make the world go round.
Yes. Here's some more power for Fabville. And you and your family have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Angela Jones in Pineville, North Carolina. Thank you, Angela. She is part of the electric committee. Thank you. We needed those. Appreciate that. Also, we got some trees. I'm so glad I did open this one though, because I already started using them. This says, enjoy your gift. I've been watching you from house to now. I never responded. Only thumbs up. I would like to be a part of Fabville history again. Enjoy your gift from Gloria Morris. So she gave us some trees, and I've already planted them. So thank you, Miss Gloria. We need them. Yes, somebody hooked daughter up with some warmers for her, because she works out there in that cold garage doing the wooden signs. And these are super warmer, hot hands, ready to use, air activated, so she can put them like in her coat, in her jacket, and be real nice and toasty while she's making y'all signs. So thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let's see what the note says. Oh, and this is a pink ceramic mug. Let's see. Oh, that is so sweet. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh man, sometimes you forget you're awesome. So this is your reminder. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. And it says, that is so pretty. Man, look at this. You see it?
Yeah, right.
It's so pretty. Got gold trim on. It says, one of two. Wait a minute. One of two. We can't have Shan's fingers turning into icicles while she chisels away at our fabulous signage. Thank you, Shan, from Kendra's side. She's so sweet. Then the next one says, two of two. Tell Shan to sip on something warm while working her magic. Thank her from the Fabville Beautification Committee. She is something else. She's gonna be so excited when she see that. That's so sweet. I'm tired. We all tired. Put this in front of Joyful Jewel Boutique from Jewel Wigs. Okay, she says put this in front of her boutique. Instructions I shall follow. Okay. The business owner has spoke. She wants this out in front of her business. Okay. Noted. Let me put this note with that. Daughters with that. Okay, she may want her. Put that right in there for her. Thank you, Kendra. I really appreciate that. Jewel, I got you covered for your business coverage. Hello, Sharon, Ron, and the Fabville family. Enjoy your gift. I'm so glad to be a part of fabulous Fabville community. I'm so sure that these animals will find a home and enjoy their stay as well. Enjoy from Pamela Jefferson. And these are some animals which we do need because we have a farm, we have a petting zoo in town. Yes, we need these little animals. So all y'all can go and enjoy all the animals. Thank you, we appreciate it and we needed it. This says, enjoy your gift from Deborah. Can't wait until you're finished. Thank you, we needed more people for certain. I am moving right on. I'm hungry, y'all. She is hungry. I haven't eaten all day. I gotta stop doing that. Enjoy your gift. Here are some trees. Yes, I need those for real. I'm completely out. To help balloon. Oh wait. Enjoy your gift. Here are some trees to help the balloon tour that is coming. Can you name Gregory's tour in honor of my parents, Grace and Jack? Much love from Angela Gregory. So there is a business coming, I'm guessing, so that y'all can ride on the hot air balloon. And she wants these trees. One minute. 1 minute. Ooh, these are nice too. Oh, you get some animals in there. A couple deers, lights, some snowman, snowman. And these cute little realistic trees. Thank you for those. And that is trash right there. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, needed those. Enjoy your gift. I need somewhere to sit down and people watch when I'm visiting. From Yolanda. Ooh, let's see. Oh, park bench, yes, and some trees. You and I are both people watchers, so we will be sitting and watching together. Oh, and street poles. I love these trees. I love these trees. Look at that. That is so cute. And you get quite a few too. This is perfect because I'm on the business district right now, y'all. I'm gonna come back around to the other set of the other neighborhood because it's still forming. Thank you for that. And this is the last one, and then I have got to go, y'all. I gotta finish packing, and I still got so much to do. So much to do. Okay. Well, let's read the card first. Get that out of the way. This says, Sharon, add this business to the new section of Fabville. Please name it the Cole Sisters Inn for Mary and Thelma that have the gazebo and clock tower from Cheryl. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Cheryl has the taco stand, quite a few things. Nice house. So we're adding this in honor of them. So this must be somewhere to stay. Let's see. If it is, you guys, and y'all have somewhere else. Yep, it is. So now y'all have somewhere else to stay in case you don't have a house yet. Or you're just visiting for the season, you know. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice, nice. Oh, she's pretty. That's pretty. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. I got you covered. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Okay, y'all. That is it for... Okay, yep. Oh, she's tired. That's it for... that is it for the unboxing. Thank you to everyone who sent something. And hopefully the next clip will be me doing just a little bit more before I leave.